of electronics invention of transistors. The era of semiconductor electronics began with the invention of the junction transistor in 1948 at Bell Laboratories. Soon, the transistors replaced the bulky vacuum tubes in different electronic circuits. The tubes had major limitations: power was consumed even when they were not in use and filaments burnt out, requiring frequent tube replacements. By now, vacuum tubes have become obsolete. John Bardeen, Walter Brattain and William Shockley were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1956 for the invention of transistor. Earlier, the transistors were made of germanium, as it was easier to purify. In 1954, silicon transistors were developed. These afforded operations up to 200 degrees Celsius, whereas germanium device could work well only up to about 75 degrees Celsius. Today, almost all semiconductor devices are fabricated using silicon.